How to log out of your account Discord mobile application. I will do this tutorial on my Android phone, but you can always follow the same step on your iOS or any device that official Discord application supports. So first off, if you want to see more contents or tutorials like this and you find these kinds of contents helpful, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. First off, just fire off your Discord application, okay, and then go to your bottom screen, to the bottom part of your screen, to the bottom navigation, and then click that settings button. It's usually on the bottom right. And then to actually log out of your Discord mobile application, all you need to do is just to click the this button. If any dialog pops up, just confirm you're logging out of your session. And that's pretty much how you log out of your Discord mobile application. If you find this tutorial helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us as Simply How to cover, please do not hesitate also to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Until the next tutorial, YouTube. Bye.